The 6'4".
It's a what?
The 6'4".
It's a what?
The 6'4".
Money, power, respect. Keep their foot on their legs. You can't feel my pain, can't feel my struggle. Got out the mud, towing heavy metal. Got some shooters with me with whatever. They wanna be like WUWOP, they know that I'm a trendsetter. What you trap do, slinging birds forever. Can't put no trust in no bitch, I can never. She love a nigga with his shit together. I got them thigh pads, y'all shit like just like a feather.
Gang, 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 gang. As y'all see, man, it's your boy. It's the 6'4" back with another video. Excuse my language, decided today. About to get these brakes painted. You feel me? Look at her, baby. Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all can see we not in the usual spot. My boy let me use his carport so we can get this shit started nice and flat. Y'all see what's going on, man. Red eyes for the beast. Gotta use these blocks. Get that thing up on the jack. Look at it. I need to go ahead and get me one of them low profiles, but look at that. Y'all see it. Way too high. So shit, let me go ahead and try to get this on blocks. You hear me? Fuck, bro. Let's see what's going on. I can't even get it on the back blocks. Shit keeps slipping.
1 hour later.
Alright, gang. As y'all can see, we back in the car. I'm headed back to the crib. Shit didn't work out. You know what I'm saying? So, gotta head back to the crib. Either buy a jack, use some more wood, or ask somebody to borrow a jack. Feel me? It is what it is, though. We still gonna get the job done. You hear me?
The next day.
What's good, fam? It's your boy back. Another day. Fresh out in the morning, about 7 o'clock. Birds chirping, dogs barking. About to get started on it at the crib, but went and caught me a jack. Yeah, I had to. That one wasn't working for me. Caught way too low. So this morning, we're gonna go ahead and get the thing up on jack stands, man. It's my first time. Y'all wish me luck. Let's go ahead and get it started, though. Yes, sir. Got it all done. Y'all see it. She up on them jacks. Yeah, so I done watched a whole bunch of videos. A lot of people have put the jack stands all the way up under there where that little triangle is at. And a lot of people have put them where the jack points are at. So I use the jack points. Yeah. Not me if you want to. It is what it is. It's my first time doing it, so whatever. Let's see, bro. Go ahead and get these wheels off. Get the cleaning, you hear me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, bro? She up on the stoots. Stootski. Alright, gang. We back. Y'all see, looking scruffy, but we working, you hear me? About to go ahead and get these mugs cleaned up. A little dirty in there. It's a little dirty. We're gonna go ahead and get them cleaned up, you hear me? Yes, sir. See, we got the G2 kit right here. Oh, I hope ain't nobody cut no grass this way today. Yeah, this is a kit. Go ahead and bust it down. Shit. A little styrofoam. So you got the generic brake cleaner. Go ahead and get these things cleaned off, man. Alright, gang. We got everything cleaned up. Brake cleaned with the brake cleaner, degreaser, whatever you call it. I'm about to get everything masked off. Only masking off a couple parts. Say basically, gotta have a steady hand. You hear me? We're gonna mask off a couple of these rubber grommets. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and mask off that whole little nut right there. Put a little bit of tape on the pad and some on the rotor. I should have got a thicker tape, but it is what it is. Not gonna overdo it. Just gonna hope on my steady hand. You hear me? Yes, sir. Let's get it. Alright, gang, let's go ahead and get this joint unboxed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tools. Paint itself, y'all see they put it on the top. And the reactor instructions, nice little sticker, helpful hints. Brush, mixer, that's about it. So let's get it started. Alright, gang. So let's say basically pour that into there, mix it, let it sit for 5 minutes, mix it again, and get the painting. So let's get it popping. Yes, sir. Nice and black. Get this reactor. Oh shit. Motherfucker popped up. Pour the whole bottle in there. Take our stick. Stir it up. Now I get back to y'all in about 5 minutes. Alright, gang. Back outside. Got everything mixed up. About to get it popping. Let's go. They say the first coat is gonna Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, man. Yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. Black calipers. Can't wait to get them decals on there. Oh, behave, yes, sir. Yeah, man. I must say it came out pretty good. I can't complain. Quality's there. Got a little gloss to it too. Yes, sir. Finished product, y'all. Make sure y'all clean them fender wells, man. Make sure y'all clean them fender wheels out while y'all got the wheels out. Y'all see the brakes, man. And the fender wheels clean, yes, sir. Boy, man, it's a 6.4, baby. We done completed the job with the G2 kit. I got it off Amazon. It was like $50, $55, $57, man. Not too expensive. I haven't got quoted in the shop to see what the price would be like. I just figured I could do it myself. Just seen a whole lot of people on YouTube do it already. So, man, might as well save that money, you hear me? $55, a couple jack stands, jack. Do it yourself, you hear me? That's gonna conclude this video, man. I'ma holler at y'all later. Y'all hear me? Yes, sir.
Money, power, respect. Keep their foot on their neck. You can't feel my pain, can't feel my struggle. Got out the mud, towing heavy metal.